Unit 1. Our body. Chapter number 1. The human body. Rahul would very often think about his body. He wondered, there are so many parts in the body. Which is the most important one? So, he decided to ask his teacher. Next day, he asked his teacher, Madam, could you please explain me which is the most important part of our body? Teacher, sure, Rahul. But first you must know what the different parts of our body are and what functions they perform. Then you can decide yourself which is the most important part of our body. The teacher showed a picture of human body and asked Rahul to name its different parts. He did it easily. Teacher, the parts you named are known as the external parts of our body because one can see them. Now, tell me Rahul, which part of your body enabled you to see the picture? Rahul, my eyes, madam. Teacher, absolutely right. Eyes are important parts of the body. They enable us to see everything around us. They help us to see different colors. They also help to determine whether an object is near or far. Our eyes enable us to see things. Eyes help us to differentiate between colors. Eyes also enable us to determine whether a thing is near or far. Teacher, Rahul, now you tell me whether eyes can do something else too. Rahul, yes madam, we can also express our feelings using our eyes such as happiness, sorrow and anger. Rahul, so madam, are the eyes most important part of our body? Teacher, don't be impatient Rahul. Now take ears. Ears again are very important parts of our body. They enable us to hear different sounds. You are able to hear your favorite songs because you have ears. While crossing the road, you are able to hear the sound of a vehicle coming behind you because of your ears. Thus, your ears also help you to avoid road accidents. Ears enable us to hear. Ears help us to differentiate between sounds. Rahul, thank you madam. I was not aware that my ears are so useful. Now, what about the nose? Teacher, Rahul, importance of your nose is far bigger than its size. It helps you in breathing. Try closing your nose with your fingers for some time. After a little while, you will get suffocated and will be forced to release it. Rahul, and madam, it is the nose that helps us to smell various things we are able to smell. The fragrance of all those beautiful flowers and our favorite foods with our nose. Teacher, very good Rahul. You are learning fast. Nose helps us to breathe. Without breathing, we cannot survive. Nose helps us to smell different things. Teacher, now Rahul, tell me what you can do with your hands. Rahul, madam, hands help us to write, catch, hold, throw, clap, etc. Teacher, right. Hands are also very important. But that is not all. You need to move from one place to another. Rahul, let me guess something, madam. You are going to tell us about our legs, right? Teacher, absolutely right. It seems you are getting wiser and wiser. Tell me the things you can do with your legs. Rahul, we can do many things with the legs. We walk, run, play and dance with the help of our legs. Teacher, correct again. Rahul, our legs help us to move from one place to another. They also enable us to do many other essential and recreational activities. Legs enable us to move from one place to another. Teacher, now Rahul, I shall tell you about the part you have used the most during this discussion. Can you guess which part I have in mind? Rahul, give me a moment, madam. I think, ma'am, you are talking about the mouth. Teacher, well done, Rahul. Your mouth helps you in many important activities. You speak with your mouth, you eat and drink with your mouth, you taste food with the help of your tongue. Teeth inside our mouth help us to chew food. Rahul, madam, I think skin is also important as it covers our whole body. Teacher, skin is one of the five sense organs of the body. The other four are eyes, nose, ears, and tongue. Our skin helps us to differentiate between hot and cold, smooth and rough, etc. Rahul, oh, that's why we withdraw our hands immediately whenever we touch a hot object. It is the skin that gives us the sense of touch. Teacher, in addition to these, our body has various other parts: ankle, elbow, knee, fingers, thigh, etc. Are some of them. Each part plays a distinct role in functioning of our body. Now you have learned about most of the body parts. You should be able to tell which one of them is the most important. Rahul, madam, now I realize that every part is important. Without even any one of them, our life will be very difficult. I understand that they are all equally important. Things to remember. Our body is made up of different parts. Eyes enable us to see things. Nose enables us to breathe and smell. Ears help us to hear and differentiate sounds. Hands help us in doing many things like eating, drinking, holding things, writing, drawing, etc. Legs allow us to move from one place to another. Our mouth helps in eating, drinking, speaking, etc. Skin helps us to feel the sense of touch. Every part is essential for smooth functioning of the body, and all the parts of our body work together.